Hello my dear students. In the last class we discussed that the balancing a redox reaction in acidic medium. In this video we are going to discuss the balancing a redox reaction in basic medium. Okay, let us see. In basic medium, let us see one example. Here MnO4 minus plus I minus gives rise to MnO2 plus I2. MnO2 plus I2. Here MnO4 minus to MnO2 and I minus to I2. Here I minus oxidation number is -1, -1, 2. Here molecular form, this is a molecular form, that means 0. -1 to 0 means it is a oxidation half reaction. Okay. Now MnO4 minus, the oxidation number of Mn in MnO4 minus ion is here the +7, 2. Here MnO2, x minus 4 equals 0, then x equals to +4. This is reduction half reaction. Okay. First of all, classify the oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Right. Next, here on one side, MnO4 minus, this is reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. On this side, oxidation half reaction. Right. Let us see MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2. MnO4 minus to MnO2. Here on this side, I minus to I2. Right? Okay. In the first step, balancing other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Other than oxygen means here Mn is present, Mn is present. Mn1, Mn1. That means you have to write as it is MnO4 minus MnO2. Manganese is balanced. Next, to balance the oxygen. To balance the oxygen, here this reaction is in basic medium. Basic medium means OH minus ion, hydroxide ion. OH minus means hydroxide ion or basic medium. Here to balance the oxygen, here how many oxygens here? Left side 4 oxygen atoms. Here on right side only 2 oxygen atoms. Hence MnO4 minus plus MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2 plus here 4 oxygen atoms, here 2 oxygen atoms. We can add 2 water molecules. 2 water molecules. Oxygen atom is balanced. Oxygen is balanced, right? Next, this is the important one. In basic medium, to balance the hydrogen, we should add a required number of water molecules on deficient side, and at the same time equal number of OH minus ions are added on opposite side. That means product side. Let us see. To balance the hydrogen, here how many hydrogens? 2 2's 4 hydrogens. Here no hydrogens. Okay. Hence MnO4 minus plus. Here 2 2's 4 means we can add 4 water molecules. At the same time add equal number of OH minus ions on right side. OH minus ions. How many OH minus ions? 4 OH minus ions on right side. Now hydrogen is balanced. Okay, hydrogen is balanced. Next, charges. Here how many negative charges? 1 negative charge. Here 4 negative charges. To balance the charges, we can add a required number of electrons. 4H2O, 3 electrons. See, 3 electron means 3 negative charges and 1 negative. Total 4 negative charges. Here 4 OH minus means 4 negative ions. That means charges are balanced. MnO2 plus 2H2O plus 4 OH minus. Next, charges are balanced. Charges are balanced. Same procedure on right side. Here in this step, Iodine, how many iodine? Here I 1. Here 2 iodine. That means we can add 2I minus. Iodine is balanced. Iodine is balanced. Next step. To balance here the oxygens are not present. Simply you have to write as it is. 2I minus gives rise to I2. Oxygen is not present. Next. Hydrogens. No hydrogens. 2I minus gives rise to I2. Hydrogen is absent. Hydrogen is not present. Okay. If there is no hydrogen or no oxygen, simply you have to write as it is and mention the oxygen is not present and hydrogen is not present. Next, charges are balanced. Here 2 negative charges, here only no negative charges. That means 2I minus gives rise to I2 plus 2 electrons. Okay. Charges are balanced. Charges are balanced. Next, to equalize the number of electrons. Here how many electrons? 3 electrons. Here only 2 electrons. Right? So multiply with 2. Multiply with 2 to the above equation. 2MnO4 minus plus 8H2O plus 6 electrons gives rise to 2MnO2 plus 4H2O plus 8OH minus. Okay. Next. Here multiply with 3. Why we are multiplying with 3 means here see 2 into 3 6 electrons. Here 3 into 2 6 electrons. So multiply with 3 to the above equation, we get the 6I minus gives rise to 3I2 plus 6 electrons. Okay. Now add above 2 half reactions. Add above 2 half reactions. Add above 2 half reactions. See 2MnO4 minus plus 8H2O plus 6 electrons. That means reactants on one side, products on another side. Add reactants on one side. Here 6 electrons, here the 6I minus. No. See 2MnO2 plus 4H2O plus 8OH minus plus 3I2 plus 6 electrons. 6 electrons gets cancelled. See 2MnO4 minus. How many water molecule? 8. Here 4. How many OH minus ions are present? Here. Left side there is no OH minus ions. Here 6I minus, there is no I minus term. Here simply you have to write 2MnO4 minus plus 8 water molecules, 4 water molecules. 8 minus 4, that means 4 water molecules plus 6I minus gives rise to 2MnO2 plus here 8 minus 4 means 4 water molecules. Next 8OH minus plus 3I2. See 2Mn. 2 4s 8 plus 4, 12 oxygens. 2 2s 4 plus 8, 12 oxygens. Here 4 2s 8 hydrogens. 8 hydrogens. Right? 6I, 3 to 6I, right? That this is the finally balanced equation. Otherwise, you have to represent like this one. This is balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation, or finally balanced chemical equation. Here one thing should be remembered: to balance the redox reaction in basic medium, to balance the hydrogen atoms, we should add a required number of water molecules on deficient side. At the same time, same number of or equal number of OH minus ions on opposite side. Okay, students. So this is also very, very important question. Here frequently acidic medium, if the acidic medium is not present, that means instead of acidic medium, sometimes basic medium, balance the redox reaction in basic medium also may ask in your examination. But more concentrate on acidic medium, right? More concentrate on acidic medium. And next one important question is redox reaction in basic medium. Now let us see one more example. Okay, next. Dear students, let us see the one more example to balance the redox reaction in basic medium. See, P4 gives rise to PH3 plus H2 PO2 minus. Here phosphorus P4 molecule and again this P4 molecule to PH3, right? P4 molecule to PH3. Here 0 to minus 3. Here 0 to, in H2PO2 minus. Here X plus 2 minus 4 equals to minus 1, then X equals to plus 1. 0 to plus 1 means oxidation half reaction. This is a reduction half reaction. Okay, reduction half reaction. See on this side, reduction half reaction, oxidation half reaction. Remember, here one of the reactant P4, this same element undergo oxidation half reaction and undergo reduction half reaction. Such kind of reactions are called disproportionation reaction. What we can say? Disproportionation reaction. That means in a chemical reaction, the same element undergo oxidation half reaction and that same element undergo reduction half reaction. Such kind of reactions are called disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. It is a disproportionation reaction. See, P4 molecule, phosphorus atom undergo reduction. That means P4 molecule to PH3, reduction half reaction. P4 molecule converted as H2PO2 minus ion. That means oxidation half reaction. See, here in reduction half reaction, P4 to PH3. Here P4 again P4 to H2PO2 minus. Okay, right. Next. See, balancing other than oxygen and hydrogen. How many phosphorus here? 4 phosphorus. Here 1 phosphorus. P4 gives rise to 4 PH3. Phosphorus is balanced. See, there is no oxygen. That means oxygen is absent. As you have read, P4 plus 4 PH3. Oxygen is not present. Oxygen is not present. Next, to balance the hydrogen. 4 3 12 hydrogens. Here only no hydrogens. That means P4 plus 12 hydrogen means here 4 3 12 H2O molecules, and at the same time we can add 12 OH minus ions. 12 OH minus ions. Hydrogen is balanced. Next, charges. 12 negative ions. Here no negative ions. That means we can add 12 electrons. gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12 OH minus. 12 electrons on left side. Now here also same steps we should follow. Here how many P4 molecules? 4. Here only 1. So P4 gives rise to 4H2PO2 minus. 4 phosphorus, here the 4 phosphorus. Next to balance the oxygen, 4 to 8. Here P4 plus 8H2O gives rise to 4H2PO2 minus. See 4 to 8, 8 oxygens. Here oxygen is balanced. Oxygen is balanced. Next, to balance the hydrogen, 4 to 8, here 8 to 16 hydrogens. Here only 8 hydrogens. We can add water molecules, required number of water molecules on deficient side. At the same time, we can add OH minus ion, equal number of OH minus ions. P4 plus 8H2O gives rise to 4H2PO2 minus plus. See, here 4 to 8, here 16. That means we can add 8H2O plus. At the same time, we can add 8 OH minus. 8 OH minus ions. Okay. On opposite side, we can add OH minus ions. Next. Here 8 OH minus ions. Here the 8 negative ions, 4 negative ions. We can add 4 electrons. 8H2O plus 8 OH minus gives rise to 4H2PO2 minus plus 8H2O plus 4 electrons. See, 4 electron means 4 negative charges, 4 negative charges, 8. Then 8 negative charges. Charges are balanced. Charges are balanced. Right? Next. To equalize the number of electrons. How many electrons here? 12 electrons. Here only 4 electrons. So multiply the above equation. Here no need to multiply because 12 electrons are present here. Here 4 electrons on right side. That means multiply the above equation with 3. Multiply with 3 to the above equation. 3P4 plus 3 8s 24H2O plus 3 8s 24 OH minus ions gives rise to 3 4s 12 H2PO2 minus plus 16 3 8s 24 H2O plus 3 4s 12 electrons. Right? Here as you have to write P4 plus 12 H2O plus 12 electrons gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12 OH minus. Add above 2 half reactions. Add above 2 half reactions. Add about 2 half reactions. See, P4 plus 12H2O plus 12 electrons plus 3P4 plus 24H2O plus 24 OH minus gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12 OH minus 12 H2PO2 minus 12 H2PO2 minus plus 24 H2O plus 12 electrons plus 12 electrons. See, 12 electrons gets cancelled. Here 24 H2O gets cancelled. Okay. Here 24 OH minus 12 OH minus. That means, see, P4, there is no P4 term as is you have read, P4 plus 12 H2O. There is no 12 H2O, right? 12H2O plus 2 electrons gets cancelled, 3p4, 3p4. Next, 24OH minus, 24OH minus and 12OH minus. 24OH minus, 12OH minus. That means the remaining is 12OH minus. Gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12H2PO2 minus. See, 4 phosphorus, 4 phosphorus. 12 2's 24. Here 12 2's 24 hydrogens. 12 oxygens, 24 oxygens. The 12 2's 24 oxygens. But here 1p4 and 3p4. That means 4p4. Can I write? 4p4 plus 12H2O plus 12OH minus gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12H2PO2 minus. Okay, see 4, 12, 12, here 4, 12. That means we can common the 4, then we can write the P4 plus 3H2O plus 3OH minus gives rise to PH3 plus 3H2PO2 minus. So this is the balanced chemical equation. P4, 3H2O, 3OH minus. That means it is also balanced, but it is a simple ratio. Simple ratio means here we remove the 4 common, then P4, 4 phosphorus, here 3 phosphorus plus 1 phosphorus, 4 phosphorus. 3 2 just 6 hydrogens plus 3, 9. See, 3 2 just 6 plus 3, 9. 3 oxygens plus 3 oxygens, 6 oxygens. 3 2 is 6 oxygens. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Okay, students. Right. So these are the important balanced redox reactions in basic medium. And this is a special kind of reaction. This is called a disproportionation reaction, in which the reaction in which same element undergo oxidation of reaction as well as reduction of reaction. Such kind of reactions are called disproportionation reaction. Okay, students. Thank you very much.